In this video, I'm going to show you how to feature a channel on YouTube. So what you'll have to do first is simply go to youtube.com and then click on your profile at the top right corner. From there, click on view your channel, and this should take you right here. Then go and click on customize channel, and this will basically take you into the YouTube studio. So right here, what you'll have to do is simply scroll down to the bottom. In this tab of customization, you should find like a featured section. But if you didn't find it, that means that your channel is not available or will not be able to be featured. So if you go to settings and then click on channel, then click on advanced settings, feature eligibility. So as an example, for you will find here standard features, intermediate features, or advanced features. So in order to have everything, at least you'll need the intermediate feature where we have basically to verify your phone number. And of course, then this is going to be like for the requirements, it will need like video verification, valid ID, and channel history. So you'll need to go through all of that. Once you go through all of that, if you go to customization, you'll find your layout tab. You can go and click on that. And on the layout tab, if you scroll down, you'll find a featured section. You can go and click on add a section and you can choose the featured channel. If you don't see like as an example that or any channel, you'll be able just to search and select like the channels that you want to feature. Once you search for it, as an example, you can just go and click on done, then publish. And now the featured channel will show up on your homepage, as an example, in your channel. It will be showed here. So I'm not eligible for it at the moment, so I'll not be able to have it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.